Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Snapchat account on your phone. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go and first of all, of course, you should install the Snapchat app. After that, you open it. And after that, you will have multiple choices. You can continue directly with Google. So you will link your Snapchat account directly with your Google or Gmail account. You can also continue with Apple, like you will link your Snapchat account directly with your Apple account. Or you can log in if you already have account, or click on sign up to make classic sign up. So for example, I will put my name, put your birthday, and click continue. They will give you a username. You can keep the username or change it. So it's up to you. Click continue. Put a password. And after that, you can also save it. Save that password. I don't have to save it. Okay, or let's save it, no problem. After that, you have to click continue. Okay, let's click save password. And after that, you have to use your email. So I will use an email that I just created. Click finish. And here also it gives you the option so to add your phone number. You can add it as an extra security for your account. And if you don't want to add it, you can just skip that by clicking on skip. And as you can see now, it asked me to create my Bitmoji, and the Bitmoji is sort of like you will build your own character on Snapchat. And I will skip it. Or let's do it. So I will get started. Okay, let's skip it now. Or let's do it like this. You can choose the skin of your character. You can choose the color of the hair. Anything that you want to change. The haircut. How is the haircut of your character? And choose also a mustache. Things like that. Anyway, you have a lot of options that you can choose from them. And after that, you can choose also the clothes of your character. If he is holding a backpack, the pant also, and the shoes. As you can see, there is a lot of options that you can choose from, and just click save after that. And as you can see, I'm already now in Snapchat. And our account is created. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you